It's faster, bigger, and on the scene when news happens.
You are looking live at breaking news right now.
Skyfox, gathering the facts, getting the story.
We have a deadly accident to talk about this morning. This might be a case of road rage.
Every day.
Route 93 north and south closed right now.
Every night.
Only one lane getting by.
Every big story.
The Coast Guard aerial search is underway now. Rescue crews still on the scene.
Skyfox, only on Fox25 News.
Way to go, Dad. You just ordered up some Dominos. And you earned extra points with your kids by throwing in a fun side of new cheesy Domino's dots. Now you're free to spend some quality time with your son. Maybe even teach him how to play baseball. Lots and lots of baseball.
Have fun tonight. Get an order of new cheesy Domino's dots for just 99 cents when you buy a large one-topping pizza for $9.99. Get the door. It's a cheesy good time from Domino's.
For years, I've been spending too much on my phone service. Now I get everything I want with my local and long distance. And I'm gonna pay a lot less.
Get me security. IDT Unlimited Local, Regional, and Long Distance. Only $39.95 a month. That's about the same as you're paying now for local. IDT, always $39.95.
I'm gonna take my business to a better company.
IDT, smart call.
Now is the time to get your best deal on a beautiful, spacious sunroom or solarium from Patio Enclosures Incorporated. We're sunroom specialists, and we'll custom manufacture to size at no additional cost a sunroom to fit your home and budget. Call Patio Enclosures Incorporated today to take advantage of our low pre-season prices on all our products.
Someone near you knows the one and only Patio Enclosures.
Medical news from the makers of Centrum multivitamins. After reviewing over 100 studies on the impact vitamins have on our health, a major report in a leading medical journal recommends that all adults take a multivitamin daily to help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and osteoporosis. And the multivitamin recommended most by doctors? Centrum. And if you're over 50, Centrum Silver. Always complete, from A to zinc.
Introducing the latest from the guardians of gum health. The Oral-B Cross-Action Vitalizer. It helps prevent gum disease with its rubber stimulators and crisscross bristles that sweep away more plaque for gum so healthy you'll smile. The Oral-B Cross-Action Vitalizer.
Hey.
Hey.
So my parents are going out tonight. You want to come over?
No, my mom's making baked potatoes.
Potatoes come alive with the cheese and crunch of French's Cheddar French fried onions.
Potatoes?
Presenting the world's most beautiful air freshener, Crystal Air by Airwick. A designer look that fills the air with alluring fragrances for 4 weeks. Crystal Air, only from Airwick.
Hey, life on the street stinks.
We need odor protection.
Only Odor Eaters has new Zorbatex technology to absorb sweat and destroy odor on contact.
Don't just fight foot odor and wetness.
Whack it with Odor Eaters Ultra Comfort Insoles.
It's incredibly small, yet incredibly powerful. It's like nothing you've seen before, and it disappears without a trace. Presenting Electrasol 2-in-1 tabs, the only detergent with the jet-dry PowerBall. It rinses away tough stuck on starchy foods like oatmeal and pasta better than the leading gel for brilliant results every time. Electrasol tabs with jet-dry PowerBall. Dishwashing made for the 21st century.
I should have used Preparation H.
Cool it fast with Preparation H Cooling Gel with vitamin E and aloe. Cools on contact for fast relief. Preparation H Cooling Gel with vitamin E and aloe.
Hey, what'd you have to eat? Pound of beer-battered chicken strips and cheese fries. You? A watercress tea sandwich.
Should have had a new Hungry Man Sports Grill. Hungry Man, it's good to be full.
Is it crunchy? No. Is it juicy? It's both. It's a Vlasic pickle.
Taste the juicy crunch. Vlasic. Want that great sub shop taste at home? Try new Vlasic pepper stackers.
These guys, like family. So when I learned 1 in 3 men faces prostate problems,
you had to switch to One-A-Day Men's.
One-A-Day Men's Health Formula, a complete multivitamin plus lycopene, which Harvard studies have linked to prostate health.
Gotta watch out for my guys.
one-a-day men's.
Why would Bart run from the law with Sarah Michelle Gellar? You don't understand, boys. He's stupid. The Simpsons.
Tonight at 8 on Fox 25.
There are 3 things you can count on in life: death, taxes, and cable rate increases. Thousands of Americans each day have realized that rising cable rates and poor service are not their only choice. People are switching to DirecTV. Switching from cable has never been easier, especially now that you can get a 4-room system for free. With the DirecTV Total Choice Plus with local channels programming package, you get over 130 channels of your favorite programming with true digital quality picture and sound. And best of all, you get your favorite local channels too. DirecTV also offers premium programming from HBO, Stars, Showtime, Cinemax, plus Sports Pack. Plus up to 55 pay-per-view choices a day. Plus you get your choice of the best sports programming available, including NFL Sunday Ticket, exclusively from DirecTV. Your choice has never been easier. Call now to order your DirecTV system for up to 4 rooms for free. That's a $299 value. And your standard professional installation is always included.
Bertolli. Why go out for great Italian? Now with Bertolli frozen dinners, you don't have to be an Italian chef. Bertolli. To be an Italian chef, new Bertolli frozen dinners. Italian for great food.
When you're a star, you can't have a lackluster body or a dull top. So I decided to give the whole works a makeover. Oh. Very good Maaco.
See Maaco for Ambassador Paint, $249, and get a free estimate on body repair.
In 1988, a serial killer murdered 9 local women and was never caught.
Serial killers choose their victims based on vulnerability.
Now, 16 years later, 3 more women have been found dead.
This killer is very crafty and clever.
Could the cases be connected? On the trail of Massachusetts serial killers, tonight on Fox 25 News at 10.
You're wearing a bikini during your period?
Yeah, why not? How about cramps, bloating?
Yeah, aren't you tired?
No, I took Midol.
Midol relieves cramps, plus bloating and fatigue. Tylenol and Advil can't do all that.
I'd kill for a brownie.
Oh yeah, she's menstrual.
Decosphere by Airwick, the unique liquid air freshener that lasts for 6 weeks with captivating scents like our new linen and cotton flower. Decosphere is so inviting, everyone in your home will want one. Decosphere, only by Airwick.
Introducing the Wind Tunnel Dual V with Dual V technology. By focusing suction into powerful V-shaped air paths, it has cleaning power from edge to edge. It also has dual agitators that spread carpet fibers for deep cleaning. The Wind Tunnel Dual V, only from Hoover.
Don't wait. Purchase a Hoover Wind Tunnel Dual V upright today and get a $20 rebate. See store for details.
There are 3 things you can count on in life: death, taxes, and cable rate increases. Thousands of Americans each day have realized that rising cable rates and poor service are not their only choice. People are switching to DirecTV. Switching from cable has never been easier, especially now that you can get a 4-room system for free. With the DirecTV Total Choice Plus with local channels programming package, you get over 130 channels of your favorite programming with true digital quality picture and sound. And best of all, you get your favorite local channels too. DirecTV also offers premium programming from HBO, Stars, Showtime, Cinemax, plus Sports Pack. Plus up to 55 pay-per-view choices a day. Plus you get your choice of the best sports programming available, including NFL Sunday Ticket, exclusively from DirecTV. Your choice has never been easier. Call now to order your DirecTV system for up to 4 rooms for free. That's a $299 value. And your standard professional installation is always included.
Introducing the latest from the Guardians of Gum Health. The Oral-B Cross-Action Vitalizer. It helps prevent gum disease with its rubber stimulators and crisscross bristles that sweep away more plaque for gum so healthy you'll smile. The Oral-B Cross-Action Vitalizer.
Presenting the world's most beautiful air freshener. Crystal Air by Airwick. A designer look that fills the air with alluring fragrances for 4 weeks. Crystal Air, only from Airwick.
There's only one show on television where every episode is a favorite.
Every time you shave it, it's going to come in thicker and fuller and darker. That's an old wives' tale. Is it? Look at this. I want that ride, lady.
Someone help!
Shut up, you old pig.
Seinfeld, every episode a favorite. Weeknights at 7, only on Fox 25.
Wheat thins. So easy to get carried away with.
good, feels good. Wheat Thins.
Ready to remodel? Marvin Windows and Doors capture every detail you want, and nothing else. Visit the Marvin Window and Door Showcase by GLC, offering complete installation services for your home project. Let their professionals install your windows. Visit the Marvin Window and Door Showcase by GLC, Route 1 South in Danvers.
There are three things you can count on in life: death, taxes, and cable rate increases. Thousands of Americans each day have realized that rising cable rates and poor service are not their only choice. People are switching to DirecTV. Switching from cable has never been easier, especially now that you can get a 4-room system for free. With the DirecTV Total Choice Plus with local channels programming package, you get over 130 channels of your favorite programming with true digital quality picture and sound. And best of all, you get your favorite local channels too. DirecTV also offers premium programming from HBO, Starz, Showtime, Cinemax, plus Sports Pack. Plus up to 55 pay-per-view choices a day. Plus you get your choice of the best sports programming available, including NFL Sunday Ticket, exclusively from DirecTV. Your choice has never been easier. Call now to order your DirecTV system for up to 4 rooms for free. That's a $299 value. And your standard professional installation is always included.
Every night, see why more New Englanders are turning to Fox 25.
A young boy nearly abducted, police on high alert.
2 smash and grab robberies in the Boston area.
Fox 25 News at 10.
Okay, Grandma, ready to go.
The Capri Sun Big Pouch. It'll last a really long time. In fruit punch.
Shotgun.
Oh, I wish. Ever wish you were first in line at the deli? I do. Number 1. One. Number 1 again.
Oscar Mayer Deli Shaved Turkey. For deli taste you leave the deli for. You can count on Oscar.
Did you get the movie?
No, they didn't have it.
Now, On Demand is the easiest way to see movies like Intolerable Cruelty. I assume you're a carnivore.
Oh, Mr. Massey, you have no idea.
Start it when you want. Control it with your digital remote and say goodbye to late fees. You should respect that. Just go to Channel 1 and select movies from hundreds of great offerings. On Demand, only from Comcast Digital Cable. Why rent? Go to Channel 1.
What's so great about Ziploc freezer bags? Tired of throwing away freezer-burned food? The Ziploc freezer bag can help. Our unique freeze guard seal has an extra thick layer of plastic right where you want it the most, at the seal. Ziploc freezer bags help keep freshness in and freezer burn out.
Hi, Pam. You cooking out too?
The Ziploc freezer bag with the freeze guard seal. Redesigned with you in mind. S.C. Johnson, a family company.
How well does new Oust bathroom air sanitizer work?
Very easy.
Oh, it's almost too easy.
Only thing you have to do is press it twice, and the air is clean.
New Oust bathroom air sanitizer kills your airborne odor-causing bacteria.
Takes away the odors, you forget all about them.
You don't have the bacteria brewing and lurking in the air.
Eliminated. You're gone.
It is amazing that something so small can do so much.
New Oust bathroom air sanitizer. S.C. Johnson, a family company.
America's favorite home gym is more affordable than ever. Now you can get the all-new Bowflex Extreme for just $19 a month. Call the number on your screen for a free DVD or video and check it out. Bowflex's Power Rod technology delivers results. Powerful arms, defined legs, a stronger chest, and a toned, sexy core. And owning a Bowflex home gym is so affordable. Great results are easy with a new Extreme. All it takes is one simple workout, 20 minutes a day, 3 times a week, to get in the best shape of your life. The Extreme is built so well that we back it with an unrivaled 7-year warranty. And so effective, it comes with Bowflex's 100% satisfaction guarantee. Through this special offer, you can own one with no money down and just $19 per month. You can't get this Bowflex deal anywhere else. Call us for a free DVD or video, or visit us online and find out how to get your Bowflex for just $19 a month today.
Honey, have you seen my lean pockets?
Lean pockets? All that rich, hearty taste and only 7 grams of fat.
Nope, sorry.
The surprising taste of Lean Pockets brand.
Brought to you by Pfizer, where life is our life's work.
Ow.
There's an easier way to freshen the whole room. Glade plug-in scented oil fan. The first air freshener that uses an ultra-quiet fan to actively circulate your favorite fragrance throughout the entire room.
There. Isn't that better?
Glade plug-in scented oil fan.
Freshness with a spin. Plug it in, plug it in.
S.C. Johnson, a family company.
It's incredibly small, yet incredibly powerful. It's like nothing you've seen before, and it disappears without a trace. Presenting Electrasol 2-in-1 tabs, the only detergent with the jet-dry PowerBall. It rinses away tough, stuck-on starchy foods like oatmeal and pasta better than the leading gel, for brilliant results every time. Electrasol tabs with jet-dry PowerBall. Dishwashing made for the 21st century. When news breaks, Skyfox is on the scene. Skyfox, only on Fox 25 News.
Did you know that the average American spends about 6 months of their life waiting at red lights? That's why Ford F-150 with the roomiest cab in its class, available leather-trimmed captain's chairs, and a 6-CD in-dash stereo system makes that time well spent. No wonder it's Motor Trend Truck of the Year. Now get up to $3,000 cash back on F-150 Heritage or 0% financing plus $500 bonus cash on the best-selling truck 27 years. Do you know where to find the best-selling brand of cars and trucks in New England? Only at your New England Ford dealer.
You're really off today. Is it your back?
No, it's my lawyer.
What do you mean?
He was supposed to settle my accident case a year ago. Just keeps going on and on. Now I can't even get him on the phone.
You should have done what Fred did.
What's that?
He hired Dane Shulman.
Dane Shulman. I've seen his TV ads.
Shulman worked hard for Fred, and he'll work hard for you.
I promise to get you what is rightfully yours, and that's that.
I never thought that you could sell so many sectionals.
Maybe it's because it has his and hers recliners.
Maybe it's the Chase Lounge.
Maybe because it can be made to fit in any room.
Maybe because it comes in 16 flavors.
Maybe it's all of those things.
Maybe it's none of those things.
But there's no maybe about the price. Only $15.99 for the whole thing. Incidentally, it's made by a brand name without their expensive brand name label.
That's why you sell so many sectionals.
Closed captioning. Brought to you by
Kaboom, the bathroom cleaner that's tough on grime and easy on you. It lets you clean easy and breathe easy so you'll never deal with harsh fumes again. Kaboom!